Hey Glow Dental Company, my name is Eddie with Line Solutions, and in this video I'm going to show you 3 things you can do today to help bring in more customers to your business. Most likely you're sitting there asking yourself, why would I be doing this and what's in it for me? Well, the answer is oftentimes in the world of the internet, most local business owners are too busy running their businesses in order to learn how the internet can benefit them and their company. And sometimes the only hesitation they have to hiring someone is, well, they don't know who is an expert and who isn't. I have found by giving people an easy, free attack plan of actual things they can do to impact their business for free has resulted in some of those local business owners still raising their hands and saying, I like you, bro. Please do this for me. So by the end of this video, you like what you heard, and you can see that I have a lot of tricks up my sleeve that can help your business with. Shoot me a message back and we can chat. Or if at the end of this video you simply want to take this free attack plan I gave you to do yourself, that works for me too. So now let me show you 3 things that will set your company above your competition and not waste any more of your time or mind. So the first thing I want to go over is content. This is your guys' website, and in order to actually start ranking a little better with Google, Google actually recommends that you have about 1,500 words on your main page. So when they're bringing you over customers that have searched up dentistry in Austin, Texas, this is their first web page, you need at least have 1,500 words. Now, in order to get how many words you have, we have this free tool that we use. It's called SEO Quake. All we have to do is just hit page info, and looking it up, you guys have about 969 words. Again, very good, but you guys will need a little more in order to start ranking a little better. And in those keywords, you want keywords that are rich with what people are actually searching up. Example, if I take a look at one of your guys' top competitors, if I do the same thing, go into ACO Quake, page info, they have about 2,300 words. Again, you don't need 2,300 words. 1,500, 2,000 words is something that's optimal for a lot of businesses. There's a lot more that goes into ranking at Google. But if you scroll down, you can actually see that they're ranking for different types of keywords, such as Invisalign, studio near you, find a studio, dental care. They have certain keywords that they rank for that you guys will need to start implementing in order to start ranking a little better on your own web page. So that's the first thing I want to go over. The second thing I want to go over is actually called citations. Now, what we talk about and what we call this is it's basically called Google Map Hack or Maps. And on these results, we can see the business's name, address, and phone number, aka NAPS. So if I look up dentist Austin, Texas, and I scroll down, this is what I'm talking about. This is Google Maps. So you must be asking, hey, how do I rank in Maps? So actually what we do is another tool that we actually use. It's called Whitesparks. And what we can do is we can put it in not only your web page, but we can also put in the competitor's web page, and we can actually go after every single one of these links that they have signed up under. I'm only using the free version of Whitesparks due to a little bit of miscommunication with Whitesparks themselves. But if you did want to go after them, definitely go give it a go. It is something definitely recommended in order to start ranking better in Google Map Packs. Now, the last thing I want to talk about is backlinks. And this is probably the most important aspect in Google, and we call this thing that gives your site authority, basically link juice. You can see when we search up, again, dentist Austin, Texas, your site isn't number 1. It's actually Delta Dental. Now, this is where you want to be, and to get there you need to beat out the competition in every aspect. This link juice, simply put, works like this. Site A is pointing to site B. Therefore, site A is acting more like link juice, which gives site B more authority in Google's eyes, almost like a popularity contest. But there's more to it than that. The link juice you obtain works a lot more effective when you have relative sites linking back to you. For example, if you have a relative site linking back to you like Delta Dental linking back to you, that would be more effective than, let's say, Pizza Hut linking at you because, hey, you don't sink pizzas for a living. Now, we actually use a site called Ahrefs, and we can actually come in and take a look at how many referring domains you have, basically how many people are giving you backlinks, you guys have about 10 backlinks. If I go over into your competition has about 133 referring domains, and they have about 580 backlinks, which is giving them not only a whole lot of traffic, but giving them a whole lot of authority in Google's eyes. So again, we can use Ahrefs to come in and actually go after every single one of these referring domains and get them, and not only go after them, but also go after every other top competitor that you have and get their best ranking referring domains and put them on your own website. So once again, we went over content. Your front page of Google should at least have 1,500 words. Citations. You should at least have 200 to 300 of these to beat out your competition by a landslide. And last but not least, link juice. You need more relative sites pointing at you guys to show Google you're the authority. And if you implement these strategies today, you could be number one across Google. So I bet you're wondering, what now? Well, you can either go with this information I provided you today and do this all on your own, and I'm totally cool with that. However, if you want the most effective route and want to save yourself the time and energy, you can give me a call at 512-823-0370. Once again, my name is Eddie with Lioness Solutions, and my number is 512-823-0370. I look forward to hearing from you. Have a great one.